Hello all, welcome back. Now, we already discussed about what is structure, and that is the structure within structure, pointer within structure, pointer to structure, and we calculate the total and percentage also. Now I want to write the same data into the file. So how we can write the pointer data of the structure into the file? So whenever you want to write the data of the structure into the file, the best way is you can use the function fread and fwrite. So whenever you want to write the data, you can use the function fwrite. So what we can do over here, very simple. Here you can just declare the file pointer fp. Here you can write fp is equal to fopen. Here you can give the name of your file. For example, my name of my file is mystudents.txt. You can open your file into the mode that you want. I want to open this file into write plus mode, so I can do the write as well as read both. Now, at the last, I request everybody to close the file. Why? Because whenever you close this file, it means you will be able to access that particular file again. Now, whenever you want to write the data of a pointer, for example, see this S is my pointer, and whenever you want to write the data of a pointer, here you can simply write the function that is fwrite. And here in fwrite, you need to provide the 4 argument. Definitely we need to provide the address of our normal variable, but if it is a pointer variable, then we can directly write here s plus I. Then simple, the second argument is we need a size of the structure. So I'm writing here size of struct student. And how many element you want to write? For example, 1, then you can write here 1, and you can provide here fp. It means in which file you want to write the same. So it will simply write the data into the file. Now I want to read that particular data from the file. So very simple, instead of displaying the content using the variable, we can simply write here rewind. So whenever we write the rewind, the cursor will be set at the beginning of the position in the file. So my cursor will be at the beginning. Once my cursor is set at the beginning, here I can simply use the function that is while, and I can write here fread. So whenever I write fread, I just need to provide the address and size of the structure and all these things. So for that, I need to declare the variable, and that is what, see here, pointer s is the pointer variable. I need a scalar variable of the structure, so I can declare here struct student, and I can declare the variable s1. Now I want to read the content into variable s1, so I can simply write here fread. I want the data into address of s1, and I want the size of struct student, and I want the one element in the from the file fp. So the data will be loaded into the variable that is s1. So no need to write here s of I dot roll number. I can write here s1 dot roll number. No need to write s of I dot name. Here you can write s1 dot name, and here you can write simply s1 dot subject of j. You can write s1 dot total, and you can write s1 dot percentage. So now whatever you write to the file, that content will be read from the file using this particular loop. Whenever you run this, you will be able to access the data. It will now ask me how many records you want to write to the file, right? So how many records you want to write? For example, 3101 Ram, marks are this. 102, for example, Lakshman, marks are this. 103, for example, Bharat, marks are this. And now this record is read from the file. What is the wonderful benefit? The wonderful benefit is my data is stored into the file and it is retrieved from the file. So this is the way you can use the fread and fwrite. You can use the fwrite to write the structure of pointer to structure in a file like this, and you can read the structure using the fread, and you can write the structure using the fwrite. So that's it from my side. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.